Turkey's recent $10 billion investment in next-generation tanks and combat vehicles has captured global attention, particularly surprising U.S. defense analysts. With cutting-edge technology, advanced armor, and unparalleled firepower, these vehicles are poised to redefine battlefield dynamics. Turkey's increasing focus on military innovation has led to a new platform that challenges Western dominance in armored warfare. As geopolitical tensions increase, this breakthrough signals a shift in the balance of power, one that may alter future conflict scenarios. The Altay main battle tank is Turkey's flagship next-generation armored combat vehicle, representing a leap in the country's defense capabilities. Developed by BMC, the Altay has been in focus due to its high-tech enhancements and local production. The new Altay's primary weapon, a 120mm 55 caliber smoothbore gun, offers superior firepower and precision. This firepower is augmented by advanced targeting systems like the laser-guided firing mechanism, enabling pinpoint accuracy even in challenging conditions. One of the tank's standout features is the ACOR active protection system, designed to neutralize incoming threats such as anti-tank missiles and RPGs by intercepting them mid-air. Enhanced composite and modular armor provides robust protection, making it resilient against a wide array of threats. The development history of the Altay reflects Turkey's ambition to achieve military autonomy. Early prototypes relied on German engines, but geopolitical barriers around technology transfer led Turkey to adopt a South Korean power pack. The project has seen various prototypes and improvements, with mass production aimed to commence around 2025. With its cutting-edge electronics, communication systems, and battlefield management software, the Altay positions itself not just as a combat vehicle, but as a node in Turkey's future network-centric warfare doctrine. The tank symbolizes a strategic pivot in Turkey's defense industry, reflecting a desire to create a globally competitive MBT that can also attract international buyers. Otokar's Tulpar Infantry Fighting Vehicle, IFV, is a versatile and heavily armed vehicle designed to complement main battle tanks, like the Altay, on the battlefield. Unlike traditional IFVs, the Tulpar is built with a modular design that supports various combat roles, making it adaptable for a wide range of missions. One of the key features of the Tulpar is its armament flexibility. In its standard configuration, the Tulpar is equipped with a 30mm autocannon and a 7mm coaxial machine gun, allowing it to engage both infantry and lightly armored targets. Additionally, anti-tank guided missile launchers can be integrated, enhancing its capability to counter armored threats. Recent iterations have explored arming the Tulpar with a 120mm gun, effectively turning it into a light tank, or tank destroyer, capable of taking on heavier armored vehicles. This blurring of categories demonstrates Otokar's commitment to providing versatile solutions that can adapt to changing battlefield requirements. It offers all-around protection against small arms fire, artillery fragments, and certain anti-tank projectiles, while its advanced active protection system can intercept and neutralize incoming threats like anti-tank missiles. Mobility is a core strength of the Tulpar. Its advanced suspension system and powerful engine allow it to keep pace with heavier tanks like the Altay, making it an ideal companion in armored assaults. Furthermore, the Tulpar is amphibious, capable of traversing rivers and lakes, which expands its operational capabilities in diverse terrains. The ZMA-15 is an advanced armored combat vehicle designed to perform a range of battlefield roles. Developed by Turkish manufacturer FNSS, the ZMA-15 is a multi-purpose tracked vehicle often classified as an armored personnel carrier, APC, or IFV. It combines agility, firepower, and protection to provide Turkish armed forces with a versatile platform for transporting troops and engaging enemy positions. One of its primary advantages is its modular design, which allows for customization based on mission needs, making it a flexible asset in both conventional and asymmetric warfare scenarios. Armed with a range of weaponry, the ZMA-15 can be fitted with a 25mm autocannon and even anti-tank guided missile systems, making it a formidable force on the battlefield. Advanced fire control systems and night vision capabilities ensure operational effectiveness in various environments. The ZMA-15's armor is constructed to withstand small arms fire, shell splinters, and certain anti-personnel threats, while maintaining the mobility needed to support frontline operations. The vehicle can carry up to 10 fully equipped soldiers, making it a reliable troop carrier. The ZMA-15 is built to work seamlessly alongside heavier vehicles like the Altay MBT, providing infantry support, reconnaissance, and fire support roles. Equipped with amphibious capabilities, the ZMA-15 can cross rivers and other water obstacles, expanding its operational versatility. At the Teknofest 2024 exhibition in Turkey, held between October 2nd and October 6th, the Turkish company Aselsan introduced the ZMA-X unmanned ground vehicle, which is based on the ZMA-15. While the ZMA-15 laid the groundwork for modular, versatile combat vehicles, the ZMA-X takes this concept further with enhanced features focused on firepower, protection, and battlefield connectivity. The ZMA-X introduces advanced composite armor, which provides superior protection against kinetic and explosive threats compared to its predecessors. This makes the vehicle more resilient on the modern battlefield, where threats are more dynamic and sophisticated. Equipped with a remotely controlled weapon station, the ZMA-X can carry heavier armament, giving it a significant edge in firepower. This turret is designed to be operated safely from inside the vehicle, enhancing crew protection. Additionally, the ZMA-X is equipped with next-generation sensors and communication systems, allowing it to operate in a network-centric warfare environment, where information sharing and real-time intelligence are key to mission success. It also features improved mobility through a more powerful engine and advanced suspension systems, making it agile in various terrains. The Shadow Rider unmanned ground vehicle has been designed as a force multiplier on the battlefield. It is manufactured by Turkish armored vehicles provider FNSS, a joint venture between Turkish industrial conglomerate Neural and British aerospace and defense firm BAE Systems. The UGV is equipped with an AI-based autonomy kit, decision support systems, a sensor suite, and systems designed for positional and situational awareness. The vehicle's modular design makes it suitable for various missions and operations in difficult conditions and terrains. The architecture supports the integration of different payloads to support a range of missions, including surveillance and reconnaissance, tactical deception, logistics support, communication relay, fire support, and military evacuation. The Zaha Marine Assault Vehicle is an amphibious combat vehicle developed by Turkish defense company FNSS, designed to support marine forces in landing and combat operations. Built specifically for amphibious warfare, Zaha is capable of transporting personnel and equipment from sea to land, offering protection and firepower in various battlefield conditions. It is highly maneuverable on both land and water, allowing for swift transitions during amphibious assaults. Zaha is equipped with a machine gun and the automatic grenade launcher, providing significant firepower to support infantry during assault operations. Its modular armor system ensures protection against small arms fire and shell fragments, while the vehicle's V-shaped hull design enhances mine and IED protection. The vehicle's ability to carry up to 21 fully equipped soldiers allows for efficient troop deployment during beach landings. With its high level of protection, firepower, and amphibious capabilities, Zaha significantly enhances the operational reach of marine forces, making it a critical asset in Turkey's amphibious warfare strategy. The PARS III is an advanced multi-wheeled armored vehicle family developed by FNSS, designed to meet the needs of modern military forces. PARS III is renowned for its high mobility, superior protection, and modularity, allowing it to be customized for a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance, troop transport, and combat support. The PARS III is equipped with a powerful engine, all-wheel drive, and an independent suspension system, which gives it exceptional performance across various terrains, from deserts to urban environments. Its amphibious capability further enhances its operational flexibility, allowing it to participate in river crossing and amphibious assault missions. Inside, the PARS III offers a spacious and ergonomically designed cabin that can accommodate up to 12 personnel, depending on configuration. Its turret can be equipped with various weapon systems, including machine guns, automatic cannons, and anti-tank guided missiles, providing substantial firepower to support troops in combat. The Pars 3 has been exported to several countries, solidifying its reputation as a reliable and versatile armored vehicle suitable for a wide range of military operations. The Pars Alpha 8x8, developed by FNSS, is the latest addition to Turkey's lineup of next-generation armored vehicles. Unveiled at the 2024 World Defense Show, this vehicle prioritizes a blend of high mobility, advanced protection, and operational versatility, marking a significant leap in armored vehicle technology. Designed as a multi-role platform, the Pars Alpha can be configured for various mission profiles, from reconnaissance to direct combat. It is equipped with advanced mine and ballistic protection, ensuring survivability against both kinetic and explosive threats. The vehicle's design includes a powerful drivetrain, independent suspension, and a high power-to-weight ratio, allowing it to navigate diverse terrains, including deserts, forests, and urban environments. Its amphibious capabilities further enhance its versatility, making it suitable for river crossings and amphibious operations without additional preparations. The Alpha's modular design allows for different weapon configurations, ranging from medium-caliber autocannons to anti-tank guided missile systems, depending on mission requirements. The vehicle's interior is designed with ergonomic considerations, enhancing crew comfort and situational awareness during prolonged operations. FNSS has integrated state-of-the-art communication and sensor systems into the Alpha, enabling seamless integration into network-centric warfare environments. Additionally, the vehicle is transportable via air by heavy-lift aircraft, facilitating rapid strategic deployments. The Pars Scout 8x8 is a specialized reconnaissance vehicle developed by FNSS, focused on gathering ISR capabilities on the battlefield. As part of the Pars family, it shares many of the same advanced technologies, particularly in terms of mobility, protection, and network-centric capabilities. However, the Scout variant emphasizes stealth, speed, and advanced sensor integration, making it ideal for recon missions. One of the primary features of the Scout is its suite of sensors, which includes thermal imaging, radar, and electronic warfare systems. These allow the vehicle to detect, track, and identify threats from long distances, providing critical information to commanders. The vehicle's communication systems are designed to interface seamlessly with other units, ensuring that real-time data can be shared across the battlefield. This connectivity enhances situational awareness, aiding in effective decision-making during combat. The BOGAÇ 6x6 is an advanced unmanned ground vehicle, UGV, developed by Electroland Defense in Turkey. Designed for versatility, the BOGAÇ can utilize a remote-controlled weapon system and perform a range of critical military and logistical tasks. These include transporting operational cargo, conducting gun tower reconnaissance, surveillance missions, and serving as a leading force support vehicle. Its unique modular design also allows it to be configured for medical evacuation, making it a groundbreaking innovation in UGV technology. In high-risk combat scenarios, BOGAÇ can be deployed to rescue wounded personnel when it is too dangerous for medics to enter. According to Electroland Defense, this concept is a world first, providing a safer alternative for casualty extraction in active combat zones. With a maximum speed of 12 kilometers per hour, BOGAÇ can operate for up to 8 hours on battery power, or 12 hours using a diesel generator. This dual power system enhances its operational flexibility in diverse environments. The UGV can be controlled remotely from a distance of up to 2 miles, offering a choice between autonomous and manual modes for optimal adaptability on the battlefield. BOGAÇ's capability to perform a wide variety of missions, from direct engagement to logistical support, highlights Turkey's ongoing efforts in autonomous military technologies. The Kaplan 10 is a light, tracked armored vehicle designed by FNSS to provide superior firepower, mobility, and protection for infantry and support units. It fits into Turkey's broader strategy of producing versatile armored platforms for diverse combat scenarios. The Kaplan 10's primary purpose is to serve as a fire support and reconnaissance vehicle, complementing heavier units like the Altay MBT and lighter-wheeled units. Armed with a variety of weapon options, including medium-caliber cannons, machine guns, and guided missile systems, the Kaplan 10 is effective against both soft and armored targets. The vehicle's compact design allows it to operate in tight urban environments while also handling rugged terrain. Its lightweight construction enhances its agility and speed, enabling rapid maneuvering and repositioning during combat operations. Despite its lighter build, the Kaplan 10 features reinforced armor that can withstand small arms fire and shell splinters. An integrated active protection system further enhances the survivability of the Kaplan 10 against modern anti-armor threats. Advanced situational awareness systems, including thermal imaging and target tracking, provide superior battlefield intelligence. FNSS's design philosophy emphasizes modularity, allowing the Kaplan 10 to be customized for different mission requirements. The Arma 8x8 is a versatile armored combat vehicle developed by Otokar, a Turkish defense company designed for multi-role capabilities in modern military operations. It can be configured for a variety of missions, such as troop transport, reconnaissance, and fire support, and is adaptable for use by different armed forces worldwide. The vehicle's modular design allows for the integration of various weapon systems, from machine guns to missile launchers, depending on mission needs. Arma features a highly protected hull, offering defense against mines, IEDs, and ballistic threats. Its amphibious capability allows it to operate in both land and water environments, making it suitable for diverse battlefield conditions. The vehicle is powered by a high-performance engine that provides excellent mobility and speed, even in rough terrains. With seating for up to 12 personnel, Arma provides enhanced troop transport capabilities. It also features advanced battlefield management systems for real-time communication and coordination during missions. The Otokar Cobra II is a highly versatile infantry mobility vehicle, widely utilized for various military and paramilitary operations. Known for its adaptability, the Cobra II is primarily designed as a light armored vehicle capable of transporting troops in diverse combat environments. It is an upgraded version of the original Cobra, featuring better armor, improved electronics, and enhanced firepower options. This vehicle has seen international deployment, most notably by the Ukrainian Special Forces unit Kraken, underlining its combat effectiveness even outside Turkey. Designed for mobility, the Cobra II features a powerful engine and all-wheel drive, allowing it to navigate tough terrains, including urban environments, deserts, and mountainous regions. Its armor is modular, providing flexibility for different threat levels. The vehicle is resistant to small arms fire and shrapnel, and can be fitted with additional armor kits to increase its protection against IEDs and landmines. The Cobra II's V-shaped hull design enhances survivability by deflecting blasts away from the vehicle, making it a reliable choice in conflict zones with high IED threats. The vehicle also supports remote-controlled weapon stations, enabling safer engagement of targets. Its advanced communication systems make it an integral part of network-centric operations, allowing for real-time coordination with other units. The vehicle's success in international markets highlights Turkey's capability in producing reliable and cost-effective armored vehicles. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI and robotics.